Papakita ko sa inyo our signature products. Like yung pinakita ni Sir Jeremy, we have the mushroom chicharon. Comes with two variants. Um, ito, masarap sa sukang sausaw, yung original. And yung garlic or bawang sa aswang. This bawang sa aswang, hindi siya powdered garlic, kundi original na bawang. So, sa mga hypertensive, pwede talaga siya. Meron siyang bawang inside. This is not just a mere snack na malutong or masarap. It is where our hope was first born. As our flagship product, it represents our commitment to creating guilt-free, healthy options that everyone can enjoy. Mula sa kids hanggang sa geriatric or yung mga